Tired of messy lawn edges that make your yard look unkempt? Here are the 5 best manual lawn edgers I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. CKLT Half Moon Edger. The CKLT Edger Lawn Tool, priced at $27.99, what caught my attention was its tempered spring steel blade, which promises precise edging. If you want a tool that can handle any terrain while keeping your borders looking sharp, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The high-quality serrated spring steel blade cuts through grass and dirt like butter, providing clean lines along sidewalks and flower beds. The 8-inch wide foot plate gives you leverage, so you can push down without straining your back. Plus, it's eco-friendly, no fuel or oil needed. Over 2,000 purchases in the last month suggest people are loving it. Now, I did see some complaints about the assembly required, which can be a hassle if you're ready to get to work. But here's the thing. Once it's set up, it's a reliable tool that many find easy to use and maintain. This is perfect for you if you want something that works in all weather conditions without making noise. Skip this one if you prefer battery-operated tools or want something that requires zero assembly. At this price, it's a solid investment for your lawn care needs. Now, if that assembly issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. The Colwelt Sawtooth Edger, also at $27.99. The arched blade design caught my eye, which is perfect for creating tidy, deep borders along your garden or driveway. If you're looking for something that's easy to maneuver and saves your back, this is a solid choice. What's great about this edger is its sawtooth steel blade. It slices through dense grass effortlessly, meaning you won't be fighting to keep those edges clean. The extra wide foot platform allows you to apply more force without straining your knees or back. With over 800 units sold this past month, it seems people are excited about this product. However, some users reported that the blade can dull if used on tough surfaces repeatedly. But here's my take. If you're primarily using it for grass and softer terrains, you're unlikely to face this issue very often. This is perfect for you if you want something ergonomic and effective. Skip this one if you have a lot of hardscaping to do, as it might not hold up as well in those conditions. It's affordable and offers great value for its performance. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for adjustable height.
Product number 3. Bloomtrek Adjustable Edger. We have the Bloomtrek Manual Edger, priced at $29.99. This one caught my attention with its adjustable length feature, allowing you to customize it from 38 to 42 inches. If you want an edger that fits your height perfectly, this one is definitely worth considering. The extra wide half-moon sawtooth blade is designed to cut through tough soil and grass roots, making your edging tasks easier. The extra wide foot plate gives you stability and control while reducing fatigue, so you can work longer without hurting your back. Plus, it has 3 height settings, making it adaptable for different users, and it's already sold over 500 units this past month. Now, a few users mentioned that the assembly instructions weren't very clear. Honestly, that can be a bit frustrating, but once you get it together, the tool performs well and helps maintain a polished yard. This is perfect for you if you're looking for versatility and height adjustments. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler fixed-length tool or are not keen on assembly. It's a great investment for anyone serious about lawn care. Now, if you want something that's even easier to use, the next product might be what you need.
Product number 4. Walensee Wheel Rotary Edger. Coming in at number 4 is the Walensee Wheel Rotary Edger, retailing for $35.99. What stood out to me here is the adjustable stainless steel handle that can reach up to 69.7 inches. If you're looking for a tool that takes less effort and is easier to manage, this one's a game changer. The high-strength blades are designed for durability, and the wider roller improves stability while edging. Its ergonomic design means you can glide it along the edges without straining your back. It's great for all types of outdoor spaces, which might explain why over 400 units have been bought recently. However, I did see a few complaints about the weight of the tool, making it a bit cumbersome for some users. But honestly, if you're not doing heavy-duty work, the extra weight can actually enhance stability and control during use. This is perfect for you if you want something that reduces your workload and is adjustable for comfort. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight option. It's a bit pricier, but offers fantastic stability for your lawn maintenance. Now, if you want a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, let's check out the last product.
The product number 5, the Atuhola Manual Edger, priced at just $25.99. What I love about this one is its solid construction with a forged steel blade, which promises longevity. If you're on a budget but want a reliable edger, give this one a serious look. This tool can help you achieve smooth and neat edges with minimal effort. The ergonomic T-grip handle makes it comfortable to use, and the design helps reduce back strain. With around 400 units sold this month, it seems to be a favorite among homeowners. Some users mentioned that the assembly could be a bit tricky. I'll be real with you, that's something to consider. However, for those who don't mind a little setup, it performs well and gets the job done efficiently. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet durable option. Skip this one if you want something ready to use right out of the box. It's a fantastic value for anyone looking to keep their yard in shape without breaking the bank. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the BloomTrack for its versatility and easy handling. Avoid the CKLT if you're not ready to deal with assembly challenges. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.